Hey everybody, it is Mark Coe for 17th of July. Cannot believe how fast this time is running. We're almost halfway through the month of July. Well, we're past halfway month. We're better than halfway through the year. It just goes so quickly. Wanted to focus some attention on the levels here today, the FX levels for the 17th of July, and just show everybody that's subscribing to these levels and show you how powerful they can be. So let's start off with euro dollar. First off, we're working support at 1440, followed by 1380. It never challenged the 1380, so we're just going to focus on this 1440 area, and resistance at 1480. So that's what we're looking at in euro dollar as this analysis comes out on Sunday night. Again, really focus on this buy zone, 1425 to 40. So this is euro dollars. Let me just show you how this looked on a Sunday night and into Monday's trading. So first off, you're looking 1480 resistance, 1440 support. Not perfect, but pretty darn solid. Buy zone again was marked 25 to 40. So there was the buy zone lit up for Monday. You can see what price did. Trades down to 35, right in the buy zone, followed by a rally. You gotta love that as a short-term trader. It captured every tick of the up move today, and again, you have to be very happy about that activity. Let's look at dollar yen. We did not get into the designated buy or sell zones, but support and resistance worked really well. So again, this is dollar yen. So we just did euro dollar. Euro dollar, I would claim, just absolutely nailed it in terms of what it did on price and into the buy zone. So there was about 45 ticks there in euro dollar. Let's take a look at dollar yen. So right off the bat, we're working 12.25 support in dollar yen. Didn't challenge the absolute lows. You see the lows on the day traded 12.33. So that 12.25 support holds. In terms of resistance, we were working 12.85. What's the high in the day? 87. So it's two pairs. Not tick for tick on the bottom, but within two ticks of the top and working resistance. So again, talking about framing your day and what these levels are able to do for you when they're working. I mean, it's pretty tough to find something that's doing better. Pound dollar, just to give you a third one, a look here. Pound dollar, still maintained by this 31.30 on top. Still held support. So the analysis coming into Monday was, now that we've cleared resistance in the pound at 30.30, as long as that continues to hold, still looks fairly strong topside. So we were looking 31.30 resistance. Again, didn't quite challenge that. It fell a little shy. You see the highs on the night were 31.17. Support we were working in pound dollar was 30.30. So it was pretty well capped by support and resistance, number one. All in all, a pretty range-bound day. And finally, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar never seriously challenged first resistance, which I was using 78.50, but support at 7,800 held for the better part of the day. We gravitated just a few ticks below there. I think we traded around 96, 95 on the day. And so you're going to get a very similar look there in terms of Aussie dollar. So here was your Aussie dollar support coming into Monday. So all in all, the levels just absolutely nailed it today. Daily model is holding a long Aussie position. Stops are being raised as we speak, so stops are up at 54. But daily model has had long Aussie since the 12th of July here at 76.38. So it's about $1,600 in the money in terms of one position, one standard lot in Aussie. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. I will be back with some more levels analysis later in the week. And for the 17th of July, I'm Mark Coe. Cheers.